Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a Mary Had a Little Lamb craft. For this craft you will need the following items at home: crayons, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and cotton balls. You will be able to pick up this worksheet at the Woodcrest Library. The first thing you want to do with this craft is go ahead and color in your lamb. Alrighty, now that we have our lamb colored in, we're going to go ahead and cut out our worksheet. So you want to go ahead and cut it down here all the way up. We're going to go ahead and put some glue here on our lamb. We're going to go ahead and put some cotton balls and glue these down. And that's our lamb craft. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll hope to see you in our next video. Bye!